All right, here's your G major tutorial. To find G without needing the notes, look for 3 black notes, and it's always the second white one in the series of 3 blacks. Second white is a G. 3 black notes, where's the second white? This one, there it is, it's a G, okay? So find yourself a G using your right hand thumb. Finger number 1, we're gonna curve the hand and place it on a G like this, okay? So we're gonna play the first 3 fingers, which is G, A, B, like that. Okay, slowly play that. Then when you get to B, pivot, okay? We're gonna pivot, keep in contact, pivot, tuck the thumb, and place that on the next note, which is a C, okay? So from 3 to 1, 3, 1. G, A, pivot, tuck, reposition the hand so you're comfortable. Now keep playing, D, E, F sharp. F sharp is the black note with your 4th finger, and pinky is G, okay? That's it, you made it. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, switch, C, good, reposition, D, E, F sharp, G. Practice that at least 5 to 10 times till you can do it smooth and slow with no breaks. Okay, what goes up must come down, so to go down or descend, you're going to just invert the fingering. We're going to start with 5 on G, 4 on F sharp, 3 on E, don't switch, 2 on D, and 1 on C. So just play till you run out of fingers. Just play. Now at this point, we're going to curve, rotate, finger 3, middle goes on B, okay? Down, 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 curve, rotate. Yes, reposition the hand, 2 on A, 1 on G. And here's what it looks like. Practice that at least 5 to 10 times.